A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You didn't know say anything God promise you, He might give it to you. Remember me tell you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on. Right yourself. Today, I'm going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 6, from verse 13 to verse 20. Now, when God did make Abraham the promise, since nobody not there, we bigger than God and more powerful than him swear upon himself. Him say, me promise you, say me I go bless your whole heap, and me I go give you picnic, pan top of picnic, and feed them picnic, go have whole heap of picnic, and feed them picnic go down, I go have whole heap of picnic too. And after Abraham wait how long and go and trust God, him get what God promised him. People swear upon somebody way bigger than themselves and way more powerful too. And this always show, say what they say are really so it go. All argument done. I seem so God did want to show the people them when promise. Clear. Say he really go give them when promise them. And he now go change in mind. So he not just promise them, but him swear pan top of that. God do two sitting we can't change. Cause we know say God can't lie. Him do them two sitting there. So we will run to him if he keep safe. We will feel like we can hold on strong. Cause we know for sure. So we will get the sitting there when promise we give we. When we trust God and we know for sure, say I'll give we when promise we, that make we soul stronger. And nothing will go on can't go and shake we up. We turn toddy, just like when the anchor for the ship drop at the bottom of the sea, so the ship turn one place. And when we trust in a God, so they sitting them where we set we heart pan, them sitting there, go inside, back of the curtain, go one special place where God turn and where the priest them one can go. And that's what Jesus go to. Him go there before we, so he can help we. And in turn one leader for the priest them forever, just like a Melchizedek. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.